Hey everyone, I am Mustafa Nasser from Arabic Finance. Do you want to learn Arabic language? Are you sure about that? Well, if you wish to do something, either you do it the right way or stop wasting your time. Giving you words and phrases in Arabic to memorize without even knowing their meaning or how to write them down is a useless approach. I believe in the change. You're going to need some change if you're looking for some quality. Learning by practicing is the most effective and fruitful way to go. That's why I designed my channel into this way. Every lesson in my channel is divided into two parts. First, the theory part, in which we will learn about something new. And then, the practical part, in which we will practice manually whatever we treated theoretically in the class, so that you will be having the chance to practice yourself from the first lesson. Moreover, we will be having a variety of courses that will cover every single aspect of the language, in addition of many exercises and quizzes that we will practice together in the lessons. You will be having a free and easy access to all of these materials. My courses are not tips and tricks. They are comprehensive, practical, and free. So, if you wish to learn Arabic language, to really learn Arabic, subscribe my channel, sharpen your pencil, and start watching the lessons. Welcome to Arabic Finance.